Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Today we are coming with a new video. Is iPhone 7 and the back camera is not working, so we will check where is the problem. First of all, we did the format already. I make it software. Maybe sometimes problem came problem from software. So do you see guys, this back camera is not working but the front camera is working. So first of all we have to open this mobile and replace the camera. First of all you open the screw, then open the screen. Very carefully open the screen. Don't do any mistake. In iPhone 7 you have the LCD cables in the right side and you have lock from the upper side. Just open it and pull back. Here we have, first of all, open the screw of the battery and LCD terminals and remove the battery. You have first of all I will remove the battery terminal, then LCD terminal. Now I open the camera, front camera, then we remove the LCD. Sorry guys, I am not very good in English, but I'm trying my best. We remove the screen right now and we open the back camera. Back camera. First of all we replace the camera and we check it's working or not. So we have another camera, so we replace and check. Plug the battery and turn the mobile. see guys, both cameras are working right now. It means the problem in the back camera just, and we replaced successfully. Now it's working the both cameras. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel and see more updates. Thank you.